Hello, this is Christopher with Big Red Tech World, and I'm going to show you DoorKnockerPal 3.6.0. So you'll see a stats bar up here with your task and then your doors you've knocked today. This is new. And you can go down to custom fields, which this is new under the admin console, to go in here and create a new one real quick. And this one, testing new too. And then you're going to save it. And then you can edit the name if you go in there. And then let's go back to home real quick and then go to doors. And then you'll create a door. If you scroll down, you'll see your new custom field and you can type into it and you can save it just like normal. And then if you scroll up, you can see a name too right here. So if you're at the door and you're speaking to a husband and wife, you can put them both in here now and without just putting it in the name one. And then if we're going to go backwards to the map and then scroll over here real quick. And you can see I have one created right here. But if I go over here and click on that one, you'll see it says, do you want to add this door, like a new door right here? Well, in 3.6, we've added this. You already have this door logged. Would you like to add a visit? So that'll let you know that you already had the door logged in DoorKnockerPal, and you can add a visit now. And if you go in here, you will see that the fields are all filled out if you add any in here. And then you can type it just like normal, Jane. So I'm gonna do a quick, and then I'm gonna go save it real quick. And then if I go back in here and click this again, you will see that the name and the email gets filled in with adding a visit now. So you can know exactly what is happening and what the fields are already in there. So now if you go back and you go to import, when you import something, you can go in here and then it'll save it, and then you just match the names to it. Address. And then if you just have one address, you can just put the address in there and then don't fill in the city, state, and zip code country, and it will be smart enough to know that you're adding a formatted address to it. But if you don't have a formatted address completely, you can add the address, city, state, and zip and country, and it will format it the way it should be. And you can also add the latitude and longitude, which is right there. Save. And then now you will see a start standard import. This start standard import is for if you're using your quota for the month. You can use the start standard import, and that will not get the actual latitude and longitude from the address that you put in. It will just put the address and all the fields in that you selected, but it won't have a latitude and longitude unless you had it in your import originally. So now you also have the option to start a geo import, which when you start a geo import, you will be charged for it for a minimum cost of $7.50 for getting the coordinates. If you're below 500 doors that you're importing, the $7.50 will account for that. So I'm going to go backwards and say no. But this is really handy for if you want to import a raw data that doesn't have latitude and longitude at all. You can just pay a one-time fee for it and we'll get the latitude and longitude for you, so you can put it on the map. Okay, now I'm going to go backwards to the home and you'll see leaderboards right here. This is a new feature to where you can see all of your team members who've knocked today and this month and keep up with who's in the lead. And then that is about it for now. This is 3.6.0, and I hope you like the new features. If you have any feature requests or want to see any new things in DoorKnockerPal, just start a chat on the bottom right of our websites. Thank you. And